Hello, grade 5s, and welcome to week 5's geography lesson. There's a voice recording on each slide explaining the work. I hope you have a lovely day. We're going to start today with Unit 4, the physical features and human activities. Now, our module for this term focuses on the physical features of South Africa. And in the past few weeks, we looked at a lot of physical features. Now today, we're going to look how does the human activities have an influence on this. The key question, how do people's activities change the natural environment? Now before going to the next slide, I want you to think a bit about how do the activities that we do on a daily basis have an impact on the natural environment. There are many different kinds of physical features, such as rivers, bays, and mountains. These features can affect where people choose to live and what they do there. Human activities include getting food through farming or fishing, working for money, building settlements, building transport structures like harbors, railway lines, and roads, and making sure they have things they need like water and shelter. People need water to survive, so they usually live near rivers or areas where there is enough rainfall. People need food, so they often live where there is fertile, good soil and water for farming. Or they settle near the coast where they can fish. People make things from raw materials like minerals, so they live where they can mine these from the ground. People use energy, so they build towns in areas where there is oil, coal, or gas. People find it easier to settle on a flatter area than in steep places like mountains. People also need to be able to move between places, so they live where there are safe coastlines to harbor boats. For example, bays are more sheltered from the weather and rough seas. Let's look at this picture with the 8 different areas. The first one is a swamp. Will it be suitable to build a settlement there? No, it will not provide foundation for buildings. The second one is fertile plain. Yes, it will be suitable to build a settlement there. It will provide food for farming. The third one is a river. It will also be suitable to build a settlement there. It will provide water. 4 is mountains. It won't be suitable to build a settlement there. It will be difficult to build on steep land. 5 is hills. It also won't be suitable to build there. It's the same difficulty as mountains, but could be suitable if gentle hills and nearby resources. 6 is minerals. It will be suitable to build a settlement there. It will provide raw materials for making things. 7 is oil reserves. Yes, it will be suitable to build a settlement there as well because it will provide energy. And last but not least is 8, bay. It will be suitable to build a settlement there. It will provide shelter from rough water.